pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much, gems. You know I love you so very much. I have a new bag or box, whatever you want to call it, to my channel. It is the Glitz Glam box. Now, it says box on it and it comes in a bag. It also says, we don't do basic. Well, neither do I. You know your girl is extra. So, I decided that for 15 bucks, why not try it? And then when I ordered the $15 bag, I got an email, and the email said, you need this. And it was $25 for basic tools. So, I don't know which bag this is. We're going to open her up, though, and figure it out. Are you ready? Let's do this. All right. I opened my bag with my eyebrow scissors. That's the kind of damn heavy. What is, really? This is, okay. I'm having a little hard time getting it out here. Ooh, there's stuff in the bottom. Is there a card? Okay, let's see what I got from Glitz Glam. Lucky Charm. Okay, I think this tells you what is in here. And I think this is nail lacquer, it says. Okay, so this is like a nail polish. Look at the box. That's freaking cute. Oh, let's see. Let's see what. Oh, it's pretty. It's tiny. Really? Okay. I like her. She's cute. Let me see. Luxe Nail Lacquer. Deco Miami. It's $8. It's cruelty free. It's vegan. With a gorgeous bottle. Alright, well, I wouldn't. Well, yeah, it's cute. I mean, practically candy for your vanity. That's funny. Okay, so I don't have nail polish on, so let's try her out. She's looking all nice and shiny. Ooh, and I like it. It's got that big brush. Alright. Ooh, she's pretty. Ooh, it smells like nail polish. Okay. Oh, I like her. Oh, we might have to do my nails. Yeah, I'm thinking, yeah. Okay. She's pretty. But definitely needs a second coat. Okay, let's open this baby up and see what it is. What did we get? I'm thinking this must be their basic box because nail polish came in it. And I wouldn't think that would be a tool, you know? So, oh, it looks like we've got a palette. Okay. Oh, and Karen loves lashes. Ooh, what is this? Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. And it is definitely my color. Oh, yeah. I'm liking that. Let's open her up. Can I open her up? Let me see if I can just twist her. Oh, I can twist her. Let's open it. Okay, it's got one of those really tiny brushes. This actually looks like a nail polish brush. Ooh, okay. Look how pretty. I like it. Okay. This is the time of year I probably would use a liquid shadow, like if I'm going to go in the pool or something, just put a little something on my lid. Let's check out these lashes. Glitz Glam box. It says never basic lashes. Speaking my language. Okay. Pull these puppies out. Ooh, they are pretty. I like them. Yeah, okay, we could use these. Right. They don't look super expensive or anything, but then again, this is like a $15 bag. Okay, so this is the Forever Charmed palette. Have you guys heard of this? This is one, you never see like Be Charmed, I think it was called, with Alyssa Milano, and there's 3 other brown-haired brunette girls in it, and they have like powers and something. I think that's what this is. Aha! Yes! Okay, alright, let's see. Open this up. Wow, very cheap packaging. Okay, so here it is. There are the girls. And we have got a bunch of names. The palette looks pretty. I mean, we can definitely do some swatches. What do you guys think? No mirror. It's just a picture of... There's 4 of them. Okay, so there's 4. There's 4. All right, let's do this. Prue, Cole, Phoebe, and Balthazar. All right, I really didn't watch too many of these episodes, so I don't really know the names. Ooh, hello. That. Okay, okay. All right. Woo! The top 4 colors right there. Let's put them here. Okay, they actually feel like butter. I'm shocked. Wow. No way. Next, we have Leo, Piper. Oh, this green. Oh my gosh. Wyatt and Chris. All right. Okay. Where are we going to put them? Oh my goodness. Ladies, I'm pretty impressed with this so far. What about you? Oh. And this is March's bag or box or whatever, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so we have got 5 colors left. Alright, let's put them on my other arm. The Power of 3, Hollywell's, Paige, White Lighter, okay, and Blessed Bee. Huh. Let's do it. Wow. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm shocked. Are you kidding? Guys, like, this is so much better than Fashionsta. And Fashionsta is $25 a month. And I am, like, super impressed right now. Holy jeez, look. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, and this dried down super nice. I'm liking everything so far. And the lashes, that is totally cool. Okay, guys, let me just do my nails, the rest of my nails, and see how much I can shine, and I'll be right back. All right, let's recap what we got in the Glitz Glam box. Glam bag box? What is it? Glitz Glam box. Okay, so we got the liquid eyeshadow, which is super pretty. We got the eyelashes, which are not bad. Then we got the nail lacquer. Check it out, it's in my nails. And then we got this palette that super surprised me. Like, I can't even believe it. You saw my swatches? Like, whoa. Okay, why is this like... Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely cheap packaging, but amazing. I cannot wait to try a look. The only color I'm a little bit worried about is this one over here. That one did not swatch as well, but again, it might work well on the eyes. Who knows? So for $15, yeah, I think I'll be getting this more often. What do you guys think? Next month, maybe I'll get 2 and I'll give one away. How much fun would that be? All right, guys, so thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. I want to talk to you. Talk to me. Oh, yeah, that's right. That was just those items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes, let me know everything that you think down in the comments below, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys real soon in another one. Mwah! Bye!